Hey you guys, Amber J here from Best Bets Trades, just coming on to give you guys a technical analysis on the SPY and where I kind of think it's headed. Also, just to give you guys a heads up, the stock market is looking pretty bearish currently at the moment, and we can see what happens. On the monthly chart, we are getting support on that 50 EMA, but for how long, I'm really not 100% sure. That candlestick that's formed here on the monthly is looking very bearish, but mind you, it is only the first week into the month of October. So let's see the month. It still has the rest of the month to fully form. So let's see if it breaks through that 50 EMA. If it does, I could see it possibly heading down to that 200. But it could take some time to get there because, like I said, this is the monthly chart. I'm going to go over the weekly now with you here. Um, right now. So for the weekly, it's the same kind of thing, except it's holding support on that 200 EMA, and that is a very bearish candle for the weekly, and that week has finished out. So let's see if it continues to hold support on that 200, which is very strong support at the moment, but doesn't break through. I really couldn't say, but it does look to be pretty bearish. Like it's the squeeze indicator is squeezing to the downside, the MACD RSI is squeezing to the downside, and as well as the stochastic RSI as well is pushing to the downside as well. It's not looking too pretty there. I'm going to pull up the hourly chart here for you. Let's see. On the 1 hour, I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, if you can see here that M pattern that's formed, it doesn't look very pretty, that M pattern. And also there's a gap to fill below here at 358.01, or about 358.01. So it's not looking too pretty on the hourly chart as well. So we'll have to see what happens come market open tomorrow. But it does look pretty bearish on the monthly, the daily, and on the hourly as well. So let's see. I don't know if it's going to crash further, if the gap is going to fill below. We shall see. There are gaps to fill above as well. If I can go to back to the daily here. So yeah, let's see where the gaps are above here. So there is a gap to fill above at 406.92 and another gap to fill above at 419.48-ish. So those are some gaps that needs to be filled. Is there any other gaps that I can see? No, I can't see any except for um, yeah, on the daily, those are the gaps to fill. So there's some to fill above, but there's a gap to fill below on the monthly as well. Or sorry, on the hourly, that should be filled as well. So let's see if it happens. We'll have to wait and see because that gap to fill below is at 358.17 or so. So let's see what happens. Hopefully the market doesn't crash, but it's looking pretty bearish to me. But there are some gaps to fill on the daily to the upside, so we'll have to kind of wait and see what happens. But put your comments in below and let me know your thoughts on it as well. And look forward to trading with you guys all tomorrow. If you're interested in joining our Discord, it's $50 a month, less than a cup of coffee a day. There is a 7-day free trial, so you can get access to all of Gundy's indicators, all of the alerts that are given to us prior to market open with call and put triggers, live trading on voice, and you get access to all of the indicators, and you could be trading with us as early as tomorrow morning. So hopefully we'll see you there, and look forward to trading with you guys. Bye.